Troubleshooting a FlowZone sprayer with little to no pressure, meaning the sprayer dispenses little or no liquid at all. Feel free to pause now and review the steps before we begin. The tools needed for troubleshooting are water, a push pin, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a clean cloth. To troubleshoot the issue, begin by checking if the chemicals you're using are compatible with the sprayer. Always read the chemical label carefully. Avoid petroleum oil distillates as they can cause damage to the pump. If incompatible chemicals were used, the diaphragm material may have been damaged and the pump needs to be replaced. Refer to our instructional video on replacing the diaphragm pump. Next, check the nozzles for clogs. If the nozzles are clogged, carefully use a safety pin to clean out the nozzle orifice. Once complete, check the pressure of your sprayer using water only. If the issue persists, refer to step 3. Now take a look at the white circular mesh piece of the inlet filter found at the bottom of your sprayer tank. Rotate the elbow so the mesh screen is facing upward and check that it's clean. If dirty, remove it and rinse with water and wipe it down with a clean cloth before reinstalling. If you have a Series 2.5 or older, remove the entire rubber elbow along with the circular mesh screen. After reinstalling, be sure to test your sprayer. If the issue isn't resolved, continue troubleshooting through step 4. Remove the battery to begin taking off the front cover. Take off the hose and lay the sprayer flat. Now you can begin removing all 7 screws, 4 found around the front cover and 3 found beneath the battery door cover. Once you've got the front cover off, locate the jumper hose and check to see if it's pinched or twisted. If the jumper hose is twisted as shown, be sure to refer to our instructional video on replacing the internal jumper hose. Once everything looks good, reinstall the front cover and be sure to test your sprayer with water once the jumper hose has been replaced. After that, you're all set.